want to take it and we're gonna make a Pop-Tart. This is the thing we have.
What is that called?
It's called a toaster, and we gotta put these Pop-Tarts in it.
Okay. So put your Pop-Tarts in your toaster. Okay. Now what do you do?
Do this. I can't do it.
It's down. Leave it. Let her go. Let it go.
Okay.
See, it's cooking.
It's still not red enough. It's still not red.
It's not red. There we go. Be careful. Don't get too close to that thing. Let me see. They're warming up. How do we know when they're ready? Are they going to pop up out of the toaster?
Still not.
How long does it take to make a Pop-Tart?
No idea.
No idea?
Uh-uh.
Okay. Guess we just have to see. Do 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 do. Do 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 do.
I think we're gonna watch television and then it's gonna pop.
After we watch television?
Yeah.
Oh.
That is the list.
They take that long?
Yes. And now we're gonna come down. Mommy,
Yes.
people can't go in that. That's already gonna get born and made of by it. Help me!
Yeah, that's right. They're going to get burnt if they touch it. You cannot touch it. It's hot.
It's super hot. Could I have tried some apples so the doctor can go away? Give me some.
Oh, your Pop-Tarts are ready. Pop goes the weasel.
Can
What are you supposed to say? Now the Pop-Tarts are done, guys.
Now I popped out the gun, guys. Mommy, I'm gonna get them out of there.
I'm going to get them out for you.
Oh.